In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email subscription pop-up, the best newsletter pop-up for WordPress. Whether you're looking to grow your email list, engage with your audience, or simply make sure your visitors know about your latest updates, adding a well-designed subscription pop-up to your homepage can make a significant difference. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional and visually appealing pop-up ready to capture your visitors' attention. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can get started using the link in the description below. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're there, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the Sign-In page. Now, you can either manually enter your account credentials, such as your username and password, or, if you'd prefer a quicker and more secure method, click on the Continue with Google button. Signing in with Google is a great option if you've already linked your account, as it streamlines the process and eliminates the need to type in your details every time. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the Settings area. Look for the Settings menu within your WordPress dashboard and navigate to it. Inside the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you locate the section labeled Newsletters. This is where we'll configure everything related to your email subscription pop-up. Now, within the Newsletters section, you'll find an option called Subscription Overlay. Go ahead and enable this feature for your homepage. The Subscription Overlay is a powerful tool because it creates a pop-up that appears as soon as visitors land on your site. This ensures that your message grabs their attention immediately, increasing the chances that they'll subscribe to your newsletter. Next up, you'll want to preview how this pop-up will look. Click on the Preview and Edit option, which allows you to see exactly how the subscription pop-up will appear to your visitors. This step is crucial because it lets you confirm that the design, text, and layout of the pop-up align perfectly with your website's branding. After all, a well-coordinated design not only looks professional, but also makes your call to action more compelling. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, this is your chance to make adjustments. Edit the text layout and overall design of your newsletter pop-up to make it as effective as possible. For instance, you might want to experiment with the wording to ensure your call to action is clear and engaging, or adjust the color scheme so it complements the rest of your site. Keep in mind that the goal here is to create a visually appealing and user-friendly pop-up that encourages visitors to subscribe. Focus on making the text easy to read, placing the call to action prominently, and ensuring the overall design feels cohesive with your brand. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, which should be located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This is a critical step because saving your changes not only preserves your work, but also activates the email subscription pop-up on your site. Without saving, your edits won't take effect, so make sure to double-check this step before moving on. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized an email subscription pop-up for your WordPress site. By enabling this feature, you're not only improving your site's functionality, but also taking an important step toward growing your email list and engaging your audience more effectively. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how this tutorial worked for you, or if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.